The next four options that we have on the WYSIWYG toolbar are all smaller options. They're good options to have, but they don't require the kind of attention that we need for things like insert media or links. So we can get through the next four pretty quickly here. The first one here is horizontal line. And horizontal line is pretty much exactly what it says it is. It's a horizontal line. Go to the page where you want your line to appear, drop the line, and you've got this horizontal line. Now, that may seem like a relatively superfluous thing, but actually it's a really useful layout item, particularly with pages that have a lot of content on them. They give sort of visual breaks, so it doesn't seem so much like a text wall as you go through, and they're very, very useful for dropping between different sections, different heading sections, different articles and such. They can really give you that visual break to the page that catches a user's eye as they scroll through a page. The next one we have here on the omega symbol is special characters. And special characters are pretty much drop your cursor where you want a special character to be, click the button, and you've got a selection here. And you've got some tabs along the side. The all is basically all of them that are available. And the tabs will limit them down to certain items. And if I picked one, like say this dollar sign, I click it, it's just going to drop it right in the space. I can search for specific ones if I want, like say euro. And it gives me the euro symbols. And that's the special characters function. This is the show blocks function. I showed that one earlier. But it will show you all the separate blocks, which is the content that exists between two clicks of a return or enter key. And the fourth one we're going to look at here is source code. So this differs from the page source code tab that's up here in that this is the source code for only this section of the page. In this case, if this was the main content section, it would only show us the source code for the main content. We can go through here if we would want and change items. Like maybe I wanted to say this is a heading 1 here on this heading 1. Between H1 and H1 tags. And I could click save. And now says this is a heading 1. Of course, not everybody's comfortable in working in source code, but some people do prefer it. So the option for working in it is there. It's just a little more limited than the page source code.